sirens. Finley, the fire engine. Here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 somebody's calling. Clang, 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 there goes the bell. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines. Here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley, the fire engine. Hear the sound of the sirens. Finley, the fire engine. Here comes Finley, it's time to play. Ring, 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 let's play with Finley. Clang, 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 hear the bell ring. Zoom, 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 rev up your engines. Here comes Finley and all his friends. Finley, the fire engine. That's the sound of his sirens. Finley, the fire engine. Here comes Finley, it's time to play.
O'clock noon, time to get the post!
Whoa. Come on, Scouts, I'll race you to the post box. All right, we can race again tomorrow. Oh, look, there's nothing in here. That's strange. Miguel always delivers the post on time. Come on, Scouts. We better get over to the garage to see what's going on.
Yes,
no, I didn't get anything. I don't see anything. What's going on?
No.
Hi, everyone. Anybody see Miguel?
I know. And none of us have had any post today.
He's never missed delivering the post before.
Yep. And I was expecting this month's issue of Better Pump and Handle.
Oh, how can you stand there reading that boring magazine?
Better than the one you get. What's it called? Weekly Tool and Soil?
Oh, that is Weekly Fuel and Oil.
Well, something's wrong. And to find out what it is, we're going to have to find Miguel. What's wrong, Miguel? You look like someone's let the air out of your tyres.
I'm never going to deliver another letter. Never.
What's wrong?
Why? You're a postman, Miguel. It's your job.
Who cares? I quit.
Why would you want to do that? You love delivering the post.
Because of these. They're stamped Return to Sender.
Oh! What's that mean?
It means they were delivered to the wrong address and got sent back to the person who posted them.
I checked every address twice, and I still got it wrong. Perhaps I'm not a very good post fan.
Oh, no. You're a great post fan, Miguel. Isn't that right?
Yes, you are.
Of course.
Besides, everyone makes mistakes.
Not as bad as mine.
Are you joking? I've made some whoppers. I remember once upon a time, I was heading home from the rubbish dump on my way to have a wash. And I saw this box just sitting right on the curb. So I did what any bin lorry would do. Just then, Jessie drove up, looking for the new radio she'd just bought. She said she'd just left it on the roadside a minute ago and asked me if I'd seen it. I didn't know what to say or do. That was a serious mistake. I felt really awful, too.
But I forgave him. After all, he didn't do it on purpose.
Yes, and something really good came from making that mistake, too.
It did?
Oh, yes. Now, not only can I pick up rubbish, I can also pick up all my favourite radio stations.
Another non-stop half hour of power.
Oh, still not as bad as getting the post wrong. People depend on me. Post is very important.
Hey, what about the mistake Finley made with Mr. Bell? Remember?
Oh, yes. I'd almost forgotten about that. It was about a year ago, and what happened was... I was doing some jobs in the fire station, and I was just getting ready to polish Mr. Bell. But instead of picking up the tin of polish, I picked up a pot of red fire engine paint by mistake. Ah! It took me and Scout hours to get all that red paint on Mr. Bell. Oh, was he cross. See, Miguel? We all make mistakes sometimes. Miguel?
What do we do now?
I don't know.
Look, here comes someone who might.
Hi, Captain Parker. We're really happy to see you.
Well, that's a 5-alarm welcome if I've ever heard one. Is something the matter? Return post? I don't understand.
Miguel's very upset because he delivered them to the wrong address.
Yes, and he feels so bad about it, he wants to stop being a postman.
I see. But everyone makes mistakes now and then.
That's what we tried to tell him.
But he still thinks his mistakes are worse than everybody else's.
Maybe I can help. Hello, Miguel.
Oh, hello, Captain Parker.
Finley showed me the letters.
Great. Now the whole world knows.
Everyone makes mistakes, Miguel. The important thing is that we learn from them. After all, nobody's perfect.
That's easy for someone like you to say. I'm sure you never make any mistakes.
Me? Why, I've made plenty. And some of them were as big as, well, as big as a 3-ton lorry, Miguel.
Really? I think you're just saying that to make me feel better.
No, I remember one mistake in particular. Nearly made me give up firefighting once and for all.
You? Give up firefighting? Wow, that must have been some mistake, all right.
I had just received a call for help on the radio about a fire. I raced through the streets of Friendlyville faster than I ever had before. I reached Carl, the 3-ton lorry, just in time. The only problem was I had it all wrong. Carl had radioed in to say he needed help with a tire, not a fire. It was an embarrassing mistake. But instead of feeling bad about it, I decided to correct my mistake. I helped change his tire, and that old 3-ton lorry was on its way in no time. Carl got the help he needed, and a free car wash out of it, too. So you see, Miguel, the important thing is not to get upset over the few times you get things wrong, but to be happy about all the times you get things right.
I have to admit, I did only make a few mistakes. I mean, it's not as if I delivered all the post to the wrong addresses. I gave most of the post to the right people, right?
Right.
Yes.
Of course.
You've always been good at delivering the post, Miguel.
Who can we depend on in the rain and sleet and snow? Who is always welcome at our door? He brings our cards and letters, yes, he's always on the go, bearing Christmas gifts and Valentines. Miguel delivers, that is what we say. Miguel delivers, hooray! Miguel delivers, each and every day, a friend we all can count on through and through. Miguel delivers.
Wow, when you look at it that way, I suppose 1 or 2 mistakes aren't that bad after all. I'm going to start delivering the post again first thing tomorrow morning. And I'm not going to check each address twice.
You're not?
Nope. I'm going to check it 3 times. Now, if you'll all excuse me, I've got to re-deliver these letters to the right address this time.
Now?
Yes, I made a mistake. But instead of letting it bother me, I'm going to fix it.
Good for you.
Yeah!
After all, nobody's perfect.
Miguel delivers, that is what we say. Miguel delivers. Hey, hey, Finley, the fire engine's rolling into town. Hey, hey, Finley, you're the fire engine of the year. Let's go, Finley, we light up whenever you're around.
Hello, bugs and girls. I'm Lingo, and I'm putting on a brand new Big Bug show, and I need your help. So, come online and meet the bugs.